Hello teacher, my name is Erika. This is my presentation on task 3 on vowels and dictums. This is E, E, E. For example, sheep, eagle, field. Okay, this is E. For example, sheep. For example, busy. For example, started. Okay, this is U. For example, good. For example, put. Should. Okay, this is U. For example, should. For example, moon, and grew, and through. Okay, this is A. For example, bed, or for example, dead, or for example, set. Okay, this is a shoe, and this is for example, about, and police, and teacher. Okay, this is
winter is a cold season.
This is an for example, word, and for example, start, and for example, walk. Okay, this is O. For example, door, work, so. Okay, this is a. For example, hat, black, apple. Okay, this is a. For example, cat, and up, and money. Okay, this is and for example, card, and bat, and far. This is O. For example, on. For example, not, and sought, because. Okay, next is dictums, and this is ear. For example, here, for example, ear, career. Okay, this is A. For example, wait. For example, train, sane. Okay, this is UA. For example, your, store. Okay, this is OI. For example, boy. For example, point. For example, oil. Okay, this is O. O. For example, show. For example, coat. For example, launch, note. This is air. For example, hair. For example, door. For example, careful. Okay. This is I, my, and I, and by, and white. Okay. Fine. And this is ow. For example, count, and now, and owl, and house. Okay, thank you, teacher. This is my presentation.